Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Learning Lagoon. Here you can learn while you play.
Can you guess the animal by its picture? Guess the animal. You are right. It's a salamander. Guess the animal. You are correct. It's a peacock. Guess the animal. Right, it's a frog. Guess the animal. You're correct. It's a great white shark. Guess the animal. You are awesome. It's a dolphin. Guess the animal. You are right. It's a giraffe. Guess the animal. You are absolutely right. It's a flamingo. Guess the animal. That's right answer. It's a tiger. Guess the animal. You are right. It's a chimpanzee. Guess the animal. That's right. It's a chameleon. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.